My video is about removing the ransomware that is called Pphg. This is a new ransomware type infection that is from the DJVU ransomware family. This particular ransomware essentially damages the files that the customers store on their hard drives. The ransomware is able to encrypt the files, and after the encryption is successful, it adds this Pphg extension to the files. This is why it is called Pphg. Now, before the ransomware attack, of course, you can open any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. But the point is that this particular ransomware, Pphg, may encrypt all these files in case your security software is out of date. Therefore, the fact that Pphg ransomware has encrypted the files means that your existing security software failed to protect your files from being damaged by this ransomware. After customers restart their computers, they might suddenly realize that something bad has happened with the files and that they cannot access the data anymore. This is because the ransomware has encrypted these files and damaged them essentially. Now you will see what happens with the files. As I said, the ransomware adds the special Pphg extension to them. After the ransomware attack, it is not possible to open the files. Whenever people try to do that, they get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file. The ransomware tells the victims to pay the ransom for file restoration, but there is no point to pay the ransom because there is no guarantee that these criminals would keep their word. First thing we recommend you to do is to go to the task manager. If you find any suspicious processes running in the background and related to this ransomware, right-click on them and end their task to stop the further file encryption. Then we recommend you to remove this particular ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and then start carefully researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner, by the way, has got the version both for Windows and for Mac computers, but this particular ransomware, of course, targets Windows computers only. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button, so the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. And you will see the summary of the threats at the end of the scanning. What's good about Combo Cleaner Premium license is the feature called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or even several folders on your device that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So at the end of scan, the full summary of threats will be given. You will see their locations of these threats. You'll be able to remove some threats manually, but we recommend upgrading to premium. This is the best way to remove all threats from your computer and to keep your files always safe and secure.